Hello, this is a 2007 Subaru Impreza Limited. There's other videos showing how to get this thing apart, so you can watch one of those. What I'm going to show you is how to get this fan motor swapped out without spending $300. So I've already taken off the 8mm. Going to give this a straightforward pull up and off. This is the old motor. Underneath there's a Phillips head. So let's see if I can do this with one hand. I'm going to take a flathead screwdriver, carefully come in here, underneath it. I think when I pulled the fan off, I brought it up a little bit, so this is now going to be a little harder, because I stuck it back in to take a video, because I only saw one where the guy took it apart in India and cleaned it somehow, but didn't show how he cleaned it. Then I watched another video that showed a guy chopping this housing all up to put another fan in. Alright, now we got it moving a little. So now I've got a little room to get underneath that bracket with a flathead. Let's see if I can. There we go. Awful camera work. Sorry. Alright, so now I can get a little pry on it. I'm trying to slice these back together. Somehow shut the camera off. But we got this up a little bit. We're going to bring the screwdriver back in, get it underneath. Now we can lift this out. Just do it a little at a time. Now I should be able to grab it. Oh my goodness, it's that tight. That's what she said. Doing a little back and forth wiggling. Yeah, there we go. She's out. Alright, down here we have the part number and the part number. This is a Nissan Titan, I believe, fan. I will put the link, don't worry. But this was like $25 on Amazon. In the video where the guy ripped it apart and put a different Subaru fan in there and just cut his airbox all up, one of the guys in the post shared a link to this motor. So, exact same thing. Same plugs. Just you're not buying the housing. So, all we're going to do is find the plug, see the cutout, line it up, slide it in. And what am I catching on? Hopefully this will go in without any trouble. Not too much. You can see it. Getting closer. I wonder if I can balance this. This will be where I break my phone. Alright, that will work. In. Very close. Let's see if I can pry it down a little with the screwdriver. Okay. Sitting down, 2 hands, I was able to push the rest of the way in. Here's your plug. Let me turn this around. And I think the camera is upside down, which is great. This video is going to be awful, but point at hand, there's your plug, it's lined up. So now all I have to do is put the Phillips head back in, that apparently when I dropped the thing, knocked out of my case. So I'm going to have to bind this. So I'll go ahead and put the fan on first. This is a 7mm, no, 8mm. So there is a cutout. Man, this isn't dirty. Also a good time to replace your cabin filter. Mine looked like it had a little forest in it. I bought this car from a guy up in the high desert, so that might be why. So we got a half moon and a half moon. So we'll line this guy up. So we'll attempt to line it up. There we go. Alright. There's that. We're on. Comes with a new bolt. Standard clockwise rotation. I'm going to use DeWalt impact, so that way I don't have to worry about it holding it. Bam. We're tight. We're back in business. Now all I have to do is locate the screw I lost. But again, Nissan Xterra, $25 fan instead of $300. This is George, G4. You have a great day. I hope that helps. And again, I apologize for the awesome camera work. This is my first show how to fix it video. Have a great day.